I'm worn out. I'm beat. When your energy is all used up. American English in Minutes, lesson number 44. Ready to hit the hay? I hope you're not ready for bed yet, as our lesson is just beginning. Before you turn in for the night, or hit the hay, or get some shut-eye, stay wide awake for some talk about being exhausted. Both people and things can be worn out. Remember that wear is an irregular verb. Wear, wore, worn. It wears a person out. If you worked hard all day, you are probably worn out. What are some things that wear you out? For many people, driving long distances, doing the same things over and over every day, or even listening to certain people talk a lot can wear a person out. If you're taking care of small children, they can wear you out fast. All the cleaning I did yesterday wore me out. He loves his worn-out jeans. Many people have a worn-out pair of jeans or shoes, but they're still comfortable. If your shoes have holes through the soles, bottoms, that's a pair of worn-out shoes. If something has a lot of wear on it, it's been used. If it's worn out, it has no use left. You can't keep getting any use out of it. Note, when we put worn out in front of a noun, we usually hyphenate it. These socks are worn out. These are worn out socks. Wear out, worn out. She takes long walks regularly. She wore out 4 pairs of shoes last year. On a car, we often talk about wearing out the brakes or having a lot of wear on the tires. Remember, we can wear things out, and then those things are worn out. People also wear out. That means to be exhausted. You've used up all of your energy for the day. If you're totally worn out, you might exclaim, "I'm beat." A dialogue at home. Can you help me with the laundry? Sorry, I'm beat. Don't be lazy. I'm not being lazy. I'm worn out. I had a hard day at work. Well, doing the laundry wears me out, but if I don't do it, you won't have anything to wear on your feet tomorrow other than those worn out socks with holes in the toes. As long as I keep my shoes on, nobody will know. Don't wear yourself out. Save the laundry for tomorrow. These videos never wear me out. Physical labor might wear you out, but American English in Minutes videos will invigorate you, give you energy, energize you, refresh you. Why not check out a few more from the playlist?